Warning: the following video contains strong language which may be offensive to some viewers or inappropriate for children. The content within this video is intended for mature audiences only.
Alright, this is going to be a tutorial on how to record your phone calls using an iPhone. Now, a couple things I want to point out is you must be located in the United States. This app is not available for Android. You can record up to 2 hours, and it's 100% free. Now, I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube that claim that there's these apps that can record your phone calls, and they're 100% free, but they end up being fucking 100% bullshit because you have to pay like a monthly subscription and all that fuckery. But don't worry, I fucking got you. I will never suggest an app that you have to pay for on this channel because I'm fucking cheap and I always look for the fucking free way to do things, and it's fucking lit. All right, so this app, I can say with my penis, is 100% free. There's no monthly subscription. There's no yearly subscriptions. 100% free. All right, so moving forward, I must tell you that in some states, it is required by law that you notify the party on the other line that you are recording them. This is known as the two-party consent states. Now, the two-party consent states include California, Connecticut, Florida, Hawaii, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, Montana, New Hampshire, Pennsylvania, and Washington. Now, there's also something called the one-party consent states, meaning you do not need to notify the other person on the line that you are recording them. And these one-party consent states include Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Colorado, District of Columbia, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, Nevada, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, West Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming, just to name a few. Nah, just kidding. That's the whole fucking thing. All right, with that being said, I'm going to show you how to use this fucking app. Let's get right to it. This is called the Rev Call Recorder. I know it says Call Recorder right here, but when you search for it in the App Store, you can find it more easily by typing REV Call Recorder, Rev Call Recorder. But don't worry, I'm going to fucking plug you in. I will link the app in the description down below, and it'll take you right to the app itself, so you don't need to do anything because we're fucking lazy and it's fucking lit. So I got you guys. All right, now I'm gonna show you how to use this app. So you click on the app, fuck yeah. You're gonna click on Start Recorded Call. It's this green little button right here. And then you type in the number that you want to call. You click on Start Call, and then it's gonna prompt you to call the Rev Recorder. So just click on Call. Don't worry about it. Just click on Call. Now, once you click on Call, you're going to have to wait, because I timed this up because I'm a fucking nerd. You're going to have to wait until the 15-second mark to call the number that you would like to call. So it's going to prompt you again to call the number that you entered. So you click on Call. Now you wait until they pick up. One thing that happened when I was using this app was I merged the call before they picked up, and it just went complete silent, or like just 100%. Couldn't hear fucking shit. So I think it fucked up. I think it's like a glitch or something like that. But just wait until they pick up and merge the call. Once you merge the call, it will record up until the point where you end the call. So don't worry about it. As long as you click on Merge Call, don't forget to click on Merge Call once they pick up to start recording. All right. Now, once you end the call, it's going to save the call in your recordings. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the conversation. Now, a cool thing that I like about this app is, I'm not sure if you saw that right there because it's kind of too small, but let me show you something. So when you click on your recording, it skips all the silent bullshit and it takes you to where the conversation starts. Because once you call the call recorder, the Rev call recorder, it basically starts recording right when you call that number. So it's recording the whole entire time. So there's going to be like a lot of silence until they pick up. But what's cool about this is once you click on it, it actually skips all the silent bullshit and it takes you directly to where the conversation starts, which I think is a cool thing. I think that's fucking awesome. So you can rewind it 15 seconds. You can fast forward it 15 seconds. You can change the speed right here. Also, you can share the recording. You can actually download it. So you can share it with the message. You can send it through an email. Add it to your notes. I don't fucking know why you do that. You can send it through Messenger, Snapchat. I have this thing called Copy to Documents. You just copy it everywhere. Fuck yeah. All right, and then you could save it to your phone. And it's pretty cool. So you can basically download the MP3 and share it, which is fucking dope. All right, so you're probably wondering about incoming calls. Like, what if I receive a call and I want to record that call instead of making a call myself? All right, so what you want to do is they actually give you instructions for this as well. Is once you get a call, you accept the call, you open up the app, you click on Start Recorded Call, you call the Rev call recorder, and then you just merge the call. Oh, fuck you. All right, so you just sorry. Like, you know how many times I try to record this fucking goddamn video and some shit always fucks it up. Anyways, I don't care. It's my last recording. Fuck it. All right, so you just merge the call and then bam, you're fucking done. And then the same thing, same process. You end the call. It goes directly to your recordings. I don't know why the fuck I did that. Yeah, it goes directly to your recordings, and then you can listen to it, save it. Fuck yeah. And it's unlimited. The amount of recordings you can have. But you can only record up to 2 hours. And that's about it. And that's how you record for free. Now, one thing I forgot to mention is I know you guys noticed this fat fucking transcribe button right here. Now, this is cool, but this is a service you have to pay for. This is the only service you have to pay for. So the recording is 100% free. The saving it to, sharing it, saving it to an MP3, that's 100% free. The only thing they charge you for is if you want to transcribe your recording, or basically like transcribe the call, like into like a PDF format, or like, just like typing, just like subtitles. So if you want them to add subtitles and give you like a subtitle kind of a thing, they charge you. It's $1 per minute. So this is 10 minutes. So it's $11. But that's actually not too bad because, a lot of words can be said in 10 minutes. Just imagine how many words I said within this video. So $11 for 10 minutes, transcribing the 10 minutes. Not too bad. All right. So that's a service that they include. This app is pretty fucking dope. They actually have a help center. So if you click on this little gear right here, the gear wheel, you see this little bubble right here at the bottom right. So once you click on that, you can send them a message. It's not like an email service. It's actually like a live chat. Obviously, they're not going to be there like right away, like unless they're like not busy at all. But yeah, you can actually direct message the support team. And yeah, so you can just talk to them if you're having issues. So that's pretty fucking cool. So that's how you record your phone calls using an iPhone. So you can't do this outside of the United States. They don't offer this app on Android. So I'm sorry. This is only for iPhone users. And hopefully they'll introduce this app to Android users. But for now, it's just iPhone. but it's 100% free. So if you live in the United States, take advantage. Use this app, and I've used it for some of my prank calls that I did on this channel. So yeah, just check it out. Fuck yeah, it's lit. All right, hell yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay fucking lit.
Multiple gunshots, clear the block, the fun stops. Snitches just calling cops, people shot, nobody stops. I wonder when the world stopped, Gary last night, kids shot while the whole block stepped. I will never understand this society.